In this video, I'm gonna teach you how to connect OnePlus Earbuds to MacBook Air. It's a very easy process, so make sure to follow along. Regardless of which MacBook model you have, either a Pro, an Air, standard one, you will be able to connect your set of OnePlus Earbuds. This will be primarily done over a Bluetooth connection, which all MacBooks should offer. So all that you have to do to set this up is go into the Bluetooth settings on your MacBook. So access the settings and you should see Bluetooth below Wi-Fi and above network. If you don't see it, just use the search function to look for the Bluetooth category. Once you find Bluetooth, what you have to do here is make sure that it is enabled. So once Bluetooth has been enabled, you can now pair the OnePlus earbuds to this MacBook. In order to make them appear under the nearby devices so you can choose the connect option, just put the earbuds inside of the case and open the lid. By opening the lid, it should automatically enable pairing mode. So you will see this LED flash and they will be discoverable by the MacBook. If this doesn't happen as soon as you open the lid, then what you have to do is press some sort of physical button, either on the earbuds themselves or on the case. This is going to differ for every single model, so if you are unsure, just read the manual for your particular model or search for instructions. But basically, you have to find a way to enable pairing mode on the OnePlus earbuds, either on the case or on the earbuds themselves. And once pairing mode has been enabled, they will be discoverable on the MacBook, and all that you have to do is choose the connect option. So setting them up is simple, you can do it over Bluetooth, and because every single model of MacBook nowadays supports Bluetooth, it will work regardless of which one you have. They will remain connected as long as they have sufficient battery, and once the battery runs out, it will automatically disconnect. For the future, you don't have to manually repeat this process every single time, as they will be discovered automatically when you take them out of the case. I hope I was able to help you on how to connect OnePlus earbuds to MacBook Air. If this video helped you, please be sure to leave a like and subscribe for more very easy tips. Thank you for watching.